Unlocking the Mysteries of the Absolute and the Toroidal Universe. A journey through religion, consciousness, and the CIA Gateway Project. The quest for understanding the nature of existence, the universe, and our place within it has been a fundamental aspect of human exploration. Throughout history, various cultures and belief systems have developed unique interpretations and expressions of this quest. Even unconventional sources like the CIA have ventured into this exploration of the human mind and its connection to the universe. And this exploration will delve into the implications of the CIA Stargate project that touch upon these concepts, particularly the Gateway experience. These documents offer insights into the agency's interest in understanding altered states of consciousness and their potential applications, specifically remote viewing. By examining these, we can better grasp how these concepts relate to the broader quest for understanding consciousness and the universe. The Gateway experience, as explored in these documents, sheds light on the exploration of human consciousness and its connection to broader metaphysical questions. Additionally, we'll examine how various religious and spiritual traditions have hinted at the existence of the Absolute and its connection to the toroidal nature of reality. By weaving together these threads of knowledge, we aim to shed light on the profound questions that have intrigued humanity for ages. We will also discuss the common thread that runs through diverse religious and spiritual traditions, highlighting how many of them share core principles related to the Absolute and the interconnected nature of the universe. This commonality suggests that despite cultural and historical differences, there may be a universal underpinning to human spiritual experiences and beliefs, as well as the practical applications of these concepts, including techniques like the Gateway hemisync tapes and out-of-body experiences. These methods, inspired by this experiment, offer a unique perspective on how individuals can explore their own consciousness and potentially tap into deeper layers of reality. So let's dive in. The CIA Gateway experiment and the pursuit of consciousness exploration. Firstly, implications for human consciousness. The experiments described in the document shed light on the malleability and expansiveness of human consciousness. They hint at the possibility that our minds can transcend the limitations of ordinary perception and tap into a deeper, interconnected reality. This notion challenges the conventional view of consciousness as a product of the brain and raises questions about the true extent of human potential. Furthermore, implications for science and metaphysics. The convergence of the concept of the Absolute with the toroidal universe model bridges the gap between science and metaphysics. While the toroidal universe gains recognition in scientific circles as a potential framework for understanding the cosmos, the concept of the Absolute serves as a reminder that there are dimensions of reality that may forever elude empirical measurement and quantification. And implications for spirituality and unity. In this exploration of the Absolute and the toroidal universe, we find common ground that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. This commonality underscores the unity of all religious and spiritual traditions in their pursuit of ultimate truth. It invites us to see beyond the differences in ritual, doctrine, and dogma, and recognize the shared aspiration to connect with something greater than ourselves. These experiments involve techniques such as the Gateway hemisync tapes, hypnosis, and out-of-body experiences. The ultimate goal was to achieve enhanced focus, expanded consciousness, and a deeper understanding of the self and the universe. So let's talk about the Absolute as a universal concept. The notion of the Absolute is outlined in this document. It resonates with core ideas found in many spiritual and religious traditions across the world. In Hinduism, the concept of Brahman represents the ultimate unchanging reality. Brahman is often described as formless, infinite, and beyond human comprehension, much like the description of the Absolute. Buddhism teaches about nirvana, a state of ultimate liberation and enlightenment beyond suffering and desire. This state shares similarities with the idea of the Absolute as an unknowable, infinite reality. In Christian mysticism, God the Father is sometimes described as the source of all existence and the ultimate reality. The Father is often seen as infinite and unknowable, ineffable, aligning with the concept of the Absolute. Within Islamic mysticism or Sufism, there is the pursuit of direct union with Allah, emphasizing the unity of all existence and the transcendence of God, which resonates with the concept of the Absolute. And in Taoism, the Tao is described as the ultimate principle that is both the source and the destination of all things. The Tao is formless and beyond human comprehension, again, mirroring the Absolute. In Kabbalistic Jewish mysticism, Ein Sof represents the infinite and unknowable aspect of God, the source of all creation. Sikhism acknowledges Nirankar, the formless and attributeless aspect of the divine. It is associated with the ultimate reality beyond description. And in many Native American cultures, they have the concept of the Great Spirit, an all-encompassing and transcendent force that unifies creation. This notion aligns with the idea of the Absolute. So let's turn our attention to the toroidal universe, a convergence of science and spirituality. While the concept of the Absolute has deep roots in religious and spiritual traditions, the emerging model of the toroidal universe bridges the gap between science and metaphysics. Based on the idea of a torus, a donut-shaped structure that is gaining recognition in both scientific and spiritual circles. Central to the toroidal universe model is the principle of interconnectedness. It underscores that nothing in the cosmos exists in isolation. Every celestial body, every particle of matter, and every wave of energy is intricately linked to the whole. The actions of one influence the state of all others, resonating across the cosmic tapestry. The torus shape with its central void allows for the dynamic movement of cosmic forces. Energy flows in from one side, spirals through the central channel, and emerges from the other side, creating a continuous loop of vitality. This circulation fosters a profound sense of unity and interdependence among all elements of the universe. And this interconnectedness extends beyond the physical realm. It suggests that the universe possesses a holistic intelligence, a cosmic consciousness that guides the unfolding of events. It challenges the notion of a detached and indifferent universe, inviting us to reconsider our place within it. Integrating these concepts, the remarkable convergence from diverse sources invites us to explore the unifying principles that underlie our understanding of reality. Just as the toroidal universe represents a holistic model, the concept of the Absolute serves as a common thread that runs through various religious and spiritual beliefs. It underscores the universal human pursuit of understanding and connecting with a higher, transcendent reality that transcends culture and religious boundaries. Let's turn our attention to the phases of exploration. The document outlines a series of phases in this exploration of consciousness and the nature of reality. Phase A begins by using the hemisync tapes in order to achieve enhanced brain focus and hemispheric synchronization. Phase B adds strong REM sleep frequencies to induce left brain quiescence and deep physical relaxation. Phase C provides hypnotic suggestions designed to enable individuals to induce deep auto-hypnotic states at will. Phase D use auto-hypnotic suggestions to attain much enhanced focus of concentration and motivation in rapidly progressing through Focus 12 exercises. I'll link a video here on the focus levels. Phase E Repeat steps A and B, following the use of auto-hypnotic suggestions that out-of-body movement will occur and be remembered. Phase F. Repeat Phase E to achieve the ability to gain out-of-body states under conscious control. Alter hypnotic suggestions to stress the ability to consciously control out-of-body movement and maintain it even after the REM sleep state ends. Phase G. Approach Focus 15 and 21 objectives. Escaping from time-space to interact with new dimensions from the out-of-body perspective. Phase H. Use a multi-focus approach to solve the problem of distortion in terrestrial information gathering trips. This approach involves the use of 3 individuals in the out-of-body state, each viewing the target object from different temporal perspectives. Phase I. Encourage full self-knowledge and the removal of personal energy blockages that may hinder rapid progress. Phase J. Be intellectually prepared to react to possible encounters with intelligent, non-corporeal energy forms when time-space boundaries are exceeded. Phase K. Arrange groups of people in Focus 12 states to unite their altered consciousness to build holographic patterns around sensitive areas to repulse possible uninvited out-of-body presences. In Phase L. Encourage advanced gateway participants to build holographic patterns of successful attainment and rapid progress for advanced colleagues to assist them in progressing through the gateway system. Let's talk about implications made here. This document suggests that by exploring altered states of consciousness and the realms beyond ordinary perception, we may gain valuable insights into the nature of reality and our place within it. This pursuit extends beyond the conventional boundaries of science and spirituality, inviting us to question the limits of human potential. In our exploration of the absolute in the toroidal universe, we find a profound connection between the realms of science, spirituality, and consciousness. This connection highlights the human quest to unlock the mysteries of existence and to transcend the limitations of our understanding. Whether through ancient religious texts, the gateway experience, or the emerging paradigms of science, the search for the absolute remains a timeless and universal endeavor that unites humanity in its quest for ultimate truth. As we contemplate these concepts, we are reminded of the infinite potential of the human spirit to seek, discover, and connect with the profound mysteries that surround us. With this exploration behind us, I figured it suitable to close with the gateway affirmation. I am more than my physical body. Because I am more than physical matter, I can perceive that which is greater than the physical world. Therefore, I deeply desire to expand, to experience, to know, to understand, to control, and to use such greater energies and energy systems as may be beneficial and constructive to me and to those who follow me. Also, I deeply desire the help and cooperation, the assistance, the understanding of those individuals whose wisdom, development, and experience are equal to or greater than my own. I ask for their guidance and protection from any influence or any source that might provide me with less than my stated desires. Humanfluence out.